Let's talk about how you can write a great introduction for your next post, article, or your next student essay. The introduction is important because, quite simply, a great introduction will encourage your intended audience to actually read what you've written. Think of introduction like a picture on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, or wherever. It should grab your attention, give you an idea about what the topic is, and motivate you to actually read the message. Otherwise, you'll simply scroll or click past it. That's also why experienced writers spend far more time on the introduction than on any other part of their work. Let's look at the introduction to a student essay I found titled, Shopping at the Pig. Catchy title, right? It certainly caught my eye. A title can be very important. You should think of the title as part of your introduction because that's what readers will see first, and it will either tempt someone to begin reading your work or not. Shopping at the Pig. Okay, it's something about shopping, yet the title is so strange that it just might encourage you to read the first few sentences. That's what a good title does. As you'll see, the introduction is easy to understand and creates interest in the topic. So let's look at the first sentence. Working part-time as a cashier at the Piggly Wiggly has given me a great opportunity to observe human behavior. You can identify with this. Even if you've never worked in a supermarket, you've shopped in plenty of them. You know how you shop. You've noticed other people shopping. So now we know that the essay is more about human behavior than about shopping. It might even occur to you that the author could be talking about you. Interested? Now the next sentence. Sometimes I think of the shoppers as white rats in a lab experiment, and the aisles as a maze designed by a psychologist. This provides a very clear image. You can easily see the author's point here, right? Now for the third sentence. Most of the rats, customers I mean, follow a routine pattern strolling up and down the aisles, checking through my chute, and then escaping through the exit hatch. Here, the author repeats the idea of customers being like rats. Now there's a general rule that you should avoid repeating words or phrases, especially in consecutive sentences. But that depends on whether you're just being careless or whether you're doing it on purpose. By repeating the rats theme, the author is reinforcing the image of customers scurrying around like rats in a maze. You might even ask yourself, is that how I behave? Next sentence. But not everyone is so dependable. Aha! I'm curious. Some people don't behave like rats. How do they behave? The last sentence provides an answer. My research has revealed 3 distinct types of abnormal customer: the amnesiac, the super shopper, and the dawdler. This sentence not only tells you what to expect to learn in the rest of the essay, it also uses interesting language like abnormal customers. Are you one? Amnesiac, super shopper, and dawdler. This should make you curious enough to read the rest of the essay. Notice also that the introduction is pretty easy to understand. More complex terms or concepts might come later, but the introduction should generally inform readers about the topic and get them interested in what you want to say. Finally, let's talk about your audience. The title and introduction of your essay, blog post, or whatever should appeal to people you especially want to read your work. We can also call these people your market. Shopping at the Pig is aimed at a pretty broad market. People interested in human behavior might be tempted to find out what the title means, and then what kind of shoppers they might be. If, however, you want to post tips on a video game like Minecraft, you'll want to attract Minecraft players. Those are your people. Unlike Shopping at the Pig, your title might be less mysterious and much more specific. For example, Never Get Lost with Your Minecraft Compass, or Craft Your Minecraft Compass, or Get Lost. It just depends on what readers you want to attract. Well, I hope Shopping at the Pig has given you some ideas and maybe serve as a useful model for the introduction to your next masterpiece. It could help you write your essay without feeling like a rat caught in a maze. See what I did there?